Good. Hi there again, Scott here from EdgeMath. Got a question from a student about questions about sampling for a proportion test or sampling distribution. So if we have a coin and we flip it 25 times and it comes up heads 18 times, can we conclude that this coin is biased? Is that significantly unlikely that we can conclude that it's not a fair coin? We want to test that at the 5% level of significance. So we're doing a hypothesis test. We can always start out with writing out our null hypothesis and our alternative hypothesis. And let's see, we can look at this last sentence. The claim is that is there evidence the coin is biased in favor of heads? So if it's the null would be it's not biased, so it's a fair coin. So we can say that the probability of heads, if it's a fair coin, the probability of heads is 1/2. But we're suggesting or trying to test that whether that it's actually biased in favor of landing on heads. So that would be the probability is greater than 1/2, where P is the probability of landing on heads. So, and now we want to carry out the test. We've got a proportion test, so we always use a z value. And then z is, got a formula, b is, z is our sample proportion minus the hypothesis proportion divided by SE, the standard error. And the standard error is given by square root of the proportion times 1 minus the proportion over n. So that's going to be, in this case, square root of the p is 1/2, so 0.5 times 1 minus 0.5 over 25. Let's pop that in the calculator. I'm getting square root of 0.01. That's 0.1. So we can plug that in. So p hat here is 0.80 minus 0.50 over 0.1, and that gives, so we can write down below, so our z value is z equals 3 over 0.1 equals 3, so z is 3 here. And we can look at we can use the cumulative distribution or the online calculator or TI-83 to get p-value is going to be less than 0.05. It's exact. I use the table at StatCheck. So for standards, we've got StatCheck here. So we put in z equals 3, calculate the probability, that's 0.998. But this is a right-handed test, so we do 1 minus that. Because we're testing whether the proportion is greater, so we do 1 minus, and that's 0.00135. So that's less than 0.05. So we can conclude that the coin is unfair, i.e. we reject the null hypothesis. Good. Hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a really good day.